So I want you to grab either hand. We're going to plug our nostril, both our nostrils. We're going to release with your index finger. You're going to breathe in through your left nostril. Plug it up. Release with your thumb out on your right nostril. Back in through your right. Plug it. Release with your index finger out on your left. Back in through your left. Plug it. Release with your right. Exhale all your air out through your mouth. Round one begins on me. Continue going at that same pace. Really get into it here. Get into it. Best you can. Close those eyes. Don't worry about anything. Feel it in your body. Feel the warmth. Best you can. Faster. Stronger. Really feel it. Keep going. Keep going. If you feel the burn, it's good. That's what you want. If you feel lightheaded, even better. That's what you want. Explore what your body can do. Amazing what you can create in your mind for what your body can react to. I want you guys to be aware. Feel the senses that you're feeling. Let that cold sink in. Let it be one. Time is relative. It doesn't mean a damn thing. It will end. We're all part of the same thing. We get to experience everything today together. We're growing as individuals, as a group, to be the best version of ourselves every single day. Not only for ourselves, but for our family, our friends, and anyone we cross paths with. Sounds pretty good to me. What do you say? Should we get in the water? Do it. Really? Breathe in through your nose here. That 5-second cadence. 5 seconds in. Slippery. 5 seconds out. Buddy.
Down the river, everybody else.
Breathe into it. Hands in. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. Breathe, Ox. You got this, man. You're strong. Woo! Woo! Hey, buddy! What? Get together, boy.
I hope you're taking a picture of this.
I got the GoPro going.
Good.
How long do we have to stay in here?
We've done it now, right?
It's so called easy tea. No, I'm mad at you. Wait, I'm coming closer. Okay. We did it. Eyes closed. 5 seconds in. Focus. Everybody, one more big scream. Do it. Feel that burn. Let's all get on the same pace here. Feel my breath. One more big squeak. Woo! Yeah, get in the horse stance. We'll do a couple. Do a normal one first.
Well, horse test would be good.
Suck it in, older guys.
Ots go in the middle.
Without trying.
Ots go in the middle. Get a little bit closer to each other.
Where I could pull it up and over.
Squeeze in further, we good.
A little bit closer. Horse stance now. That is frickin' badass. Yeah,